Hello guys, I'm here again with another project in Scratch. This video will show you how to make a working clock and an alarm. Before getting started, let me give some introduction to clock. You know that there are 360 degrees in a circle, so that we can easily divide an analog clock into 12 hours by assigning 30 degrees to each hour. If you replace this 360 degrees with 100 degrees, the math will be messy. It have 8.3 degrees per hour and 4.157 degrees per minute. So let's start our project. We can remove our sprite Tommy. Click here and choose a pen to draw an alarm clock. Choose the circle. Now change the color by clicking here. You can adjust the color, saturation, etc. So do it as per your wish. You can adjust the thickness also. Now let's select a rectangle and place it over here. You can adjust the outline. Click here to make the rectangle appears in the back portion of the clock. So yes. Now we need to design the hour hand. So for that, click here and choose paint option once again. Now click on this rectangle and draw like this. Reduce the thickness and adjust the colors. You can adjust the position of this line perfectly. Now we need 2 more arms for second hand and minute hand. So choose paint option and draw 3 more arms like this. Select rectangle, draw like this, adjust the colors, thickness, saturation, etc. Let us fix a center, so draw a small circle. You can adjust the thickness of the circle also. As this is an alarm, we need some more things. So choose a drum hi-hat. Just drag it here. Now go to motion and click on this turn left 15 degrees to turn the drum hi-hat towards left. Just click on that. Yes, so the drum hi-hat turned 15 degrees. Now place it here. Just place it properly. Similarly, place another one in the right side also. So just select one more drum hi-hat. Now adjust the position and so let's click on this and place these 2 drum hi-hats just behind the alarm, so it will not appear in front. Now let us do the coding. So click on here on sprite 2 in the sprite list. Now go to sensing and choose the block current year. You can change the year to month, a day of the week, second, etc. We can choose second. If we click on this current seconds, it will tell you what time is the second time gates. You can see that the second time is keep changing. Now we need this arm to move around this circle to the right. For that, go to Operators and choose this block. Place this current second block inside this. Now type 60 here. This arm must move all the way around the circle. So choose another block. So we need this block. Type 360 there. Place these whole blocks inside here. What this will do now is, it will tell us how far round on the circle this arm is. Our clock arm going here is too slow. It is actually at 90 degrees, it is too slow. So we need to chord a block. So select the block we have selected before and type 90 here and place these whole block inside. For each 60 seconds round time, it will take all the way around. So select the block, point in direction from motion and place the whole blocks in this space provided over here. Now place these whole blocks in a forever loop. And we need when flag click block also. So place it above. Now if we press the flag, you can see that our clock takes the way around. Now click on this sprite tree in sprite list. Choose the block when flag clicked and forever loop from block palette. Now select the block point in direction from motion and current year from sensing. Change year to minute. Repeat the steps you have done for second and arm. Just repeat the steps you have done for the second and arm. Yes. Now when we click on the flag, you can see that the second hand complete the whole rotation and the minute hand will move one step forward. Now we can do the coding for our arm. So select this sprite 4 and sprite list. Choose the blocks when flag clicked and forever loop. Then choose current year block. Now change year to hour. In our clock, there is only 12 divisions, that is 1 to 12. But we can see the hour is showing us 18 here. This is because this hour is shown in 24-hour format. We cannot show this 24 hours on the clock. So we want to change 24 hours to 12 hours. For that, we take if then else block. Here we need the block if then else. So choose the block if then else. In this space, drag and drop the greater than block from operator. So now place this current hour inside this and replace 50 with 12. This means that a current hour is greater than 12, then we have to do one activity. So first select current year once again. Change year to hour. Now select this block from operators. Place current hour inside this. Type 12 hour there. When you click here, you can see current hour, which is 6. Now choose this block from operator and type 12 there. Now place the whole block inside this. Now select this block and place these whole blocks inside here and type 360 there. Now we need one more block of the same to type 90. So choose that and place there. Type 90. So you know what to do next. So this will show how far round on the circle the arm is. After 12, the clock again starts from 1. Now select a point in direction and place these whole block in the space and drag these whole blocks and drop it here. Now repeat the activity you have done just now, but here we don't need one of our block. So just do it carefully. Let's have a look on this and do it by yourself. We have to place these blocks inside the forever loop. Now click on the flag and check the activity. For setting alarm, we need a key to lock the alarm time. So choose a key. Now let's do the coding. Go to looks and select the block. Go forward one layer. Replace 1 with 2 and click on that. Now go to events, choose the block when this sprite click. This is the first block, and for the second block we need to go to sensing and choose the block ask and wait. Now delete this and type enter the hour in 24-hour format. Now set a variable hour. Drag and drop the block set hour to 0 from variables. Here replace 0 with block answer. Go to sensing and drag and drop the answer block here. Now select the block ask and wait again and delete this and type enter the minute. Then create a variable minute and drag and drop the block. Set minute to 0. Now replace 0 with the block answer. Then choose the block wait until from control. Also choose equal to block from operators. Drag and drop hour to this space and replace 50 with another block. So choose this block from sensing and select a current year. Now change year to hour and place it over here. Now do the same steps for setting minute also. So can you see, in this space we can place only one block, but we have to place these two blocks here. For that we have another block, so choose and block from operators. Now you can place these blocks in these two spaces provided over here. So now you can place these two blocks in this space. Now our alarm should make a sound when the time comes. So first choose play sound until done from sounds. Select a repeat loop from events. Now we can choose a sound. So go to sounds and choose a sound from loops. Let's choose this dance magic sound. Drag it here. Click on the flag. So when we click on the flag, it will ask for the hour. So type hour here. Let's type 80. Now click on this tick. So it asked us before the minute, so type minute there. Now when the time becomes 18:55, the alarm will make a dance magic sound. See that when it becomes 18:55, the alarm makes the dance magic sound. Now this drum hi-hat should vibrate when alarm makes sound. So we need to select a broadcast message. So just select broadcast message from events and place it here. Now click on drum hi-hat. Place the first block when I receive message 1. Then choose the repeat block. Go to looks and drag and drop the block. Switch costume. Then choose the block, wait 1 second, and once again choose the block, switch costume and wait 1 second block. Now replace 1 second with 0.5 second. Do the same activity for the other drum hi-hat also. Change the costumes here. Now click on the flag and give the hour, then give the minute. Wait for the activity. So can you see this? The two drum hi-hats are vibrating while the alarm makes the sound. So guys, this is how we will make an alarm and scratch. So try this at home and we will meet again in next section with another scratch video. Till then, bye.